Alright guys, and welcome back to Hector's Row Reviews. Today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new recliner sofa. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it off review. Let's go and actually check it out. So putting it together is pretty simple. Most of the chairs are already done. So it's really just getting the main pieces connected, plugging in the power connections, and making sure everything locks into place. Once it's together, one thing I noticed pretty quick is that the recline and the headrest are separate, which I actually like. You can lean the chair back without having your head stuck in one position, then move the headrest until it feels right. Alright, so this is what the chair looks like once you got it assembled. Gotta admit, guys, this is really nice. It's got a little tray here that you can adjust. The functions are right over here. Now I'll sit on so you can see exactly what it does, but check it out. It's got some really cool lights. Let me see if I can turn this off real quick. That's super cool. Turn them off a little brighter. Thought that was super neat. And then this little tray right here, you can actually, if you want to put it on this side, just move it over, make sure it snaps right in, and now you have it on this side. So super cool little chair. Let me show you this side. Real clean, easy to set up too, guys. Easy to set up. Great quality. So now let's go ahead and actually test it out. Alright, so let's go ahead and actually test this out. Heck yeah. So let's go ahead and actually test the functions out. We'll go ahead and turn on the lights. Oh, right here. It's moving back. Moving forward. Okay, that's cool. Okay. Move that back. We got the legs going up. Oh yeah. Heck yeah, guys. This is freaking awesome. There's a little table here. Put it this way. Whoa. That's cool. Let's actually put some stuff on it. Let's see. I like this. Start moving that makes it super cool. Alright, got my snacks on there, but one thing I did want to show you guys is it actually has two ports on here. So it has a USB and a Type-C. So we're going to try those out now as well. So I'm going to put my watch charger on there. I'm going to put that. There we go. Charging right up. Then we'll go ahead and take our Type-C. Scoot this back here. Take our Type-C. Get our phone. Plug that right in. And there you go. Charging up. So keep your electronics charged while you're sitting in this cool chair. Put this here. Heck yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up. Oh, got some company. As you can see, super cool chair, guys. Love the lights. It's comfortable, feels good quality. The little tray makes it cool. The electronics being able to charge is freaking awesome. Bring an extra little companion in here on the chair, super fun. So go ahead and enjoy your chips here. So if you guys are looking for like a home theater style recliner, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. I'll get yours. This one's definitely a high recommend.